Retire like a genius. How to be a retirement destination genius. A long-time retirement tradition in the US has been moving to a new location when you stop working. People are often in search of warmer winters or cooler summers and a new lifestyle. Whether it's moving part-time or a total relocation to a different place in the US or another country, there are a number of factors that need to be taken into consideration before making the move to get it right. Going on vacation is not the same as relocating, and making the move requires some careful thought and research to make sure you make the right choice. What are some of the top factors to consider before moving in retirement? How the cost of living is impacted by taxes, the cost of housing, the price of essentials, and what you would pay for health care. Environmental factors such as temperatures, seasons, the type of climate, and weighing the risks from climate change. Quality of life, impacted by things like proximity to loved ones, options for an active lifestyle and engaging entertainment, safety and stability, and access to health care. So, before you make the move, ask yourself these 3 questions. 1. Will we get more or less out of our money? 2. Will the environment enhance our retirement and will it remain stable? 3. Will our lifestyle thrive, grow, and extend our health and longevity? Retire like a genius. It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.